standing right here in front of the 2012 Jeep Rubicon. This thing's got all the bells and whistles. Lifted, everything on the suspension has been chained. I got the Warren winch on it. We just wrapped up finishing the 37 Mickey Thompson Baja tires on it. This is their all-terrain tire. It's a new one that came out this year. When you see this Jeep is used what it's made for, off-roading. We got 5 new tires on it. It's ready to hit the dirt. Got a 2020 Tacoma here. Best thing you can do, you do a mild lift with the Bilstein coilover strut suspension combo. Got the method 17x9 0 offset, running 285 7017 BFGs. Perfect setup. You know, it's a stock 4-door Tacoma, but with the right suspension and the tires, makes a big difference. A 350Z here. We're working on the suspension. Sometimes if you hit the curb or something, you're gonna have aluminum parts here that are easy to bend. So what we're gonna do is complete change over the knuckle and the A-arm, get this assembled and aligned.